Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. This is Samsung Galaxy A71 mobile. 5 minutes ago it was working. I removed from the charge. It was full charge, but now you can see it's not working. So now I'll show you how to fix this problem if your phone is like this. Press this power button and volume minus button together for 10 seconds. And you can see reboot your phone, and now it's working. This is my phone, and I wake up in the morning. I remove from the charge. I see before here is full charge, but after few minutes I want to open my phone, but it is not open. And I shock, maybe my phone is damaged, because one of my friend, his phone was damaged like this, no display. And you can see now it is working and working very good. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have problem a Samsung Galaxy A series phone, A50, A51, A30, A10, A20, 20s, A70, 71, like this problem, sometimes it's hang, frozen, the display is not working, not showing the display, or touch not working, and then you press this power button and volume minus button together for 10 seconds. After, you can see reboot your phone and it will be open like this. Is if you can see the touch or display not showing, touch not working, press power button and volume minus button together for 10 seconds. And you can see reboot your phone, and after that you can use your phone. Because this phone is battery internal, not external, you can't remove the battery and use battery again, because this close cover. So you have to reboot your phone and you can use this. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.